All right, welcome back to another short video tutorial. Today we're talking about Little Liza Jane. All right, so we have our black keys, okay? And you should know your hand position. This is our hand position for the three black keys. And let's just get right to it. So we're going to start with the left hand. And you will notice that I have this purple box, right? And notice that it's not very long, but we have verse 1 and verse 2. And we have in the first measure, we have all of these quarter notes. And then the next measure, we have two quarter notes and a half note. So we're going to work on that together. And we're going to do the first verse, which is Got a Gal in Baltimore. And then the second verse is If My Liza You Should See. Now notice that the lyrics, you might say, why are they speaking that way? That is just the way they wrote Little Liza Jane for that particular period and style of music. But we're just focusing on playing these black keys so that we can get proficient with our rhythm and timing and everything else that comes with playing the piano. All right, so let's give it a go. Got a gal in Baltimore. All right, so that's how that goes. A little funny, right? A little different. 1, 2, do it again. Got a gal in Baltimore. All right, now let's do the second verse. 1, 2, follow me. If my Liza you should see. Okay, all right, so now let's go to the right hand. Now notice the right hand, you see two purple boxes, and that is because for verse 1, we play the first box, and for the second verse, we play the second box, okay? But we're going to practice both boxes just so that we know what we're doing, okay? And the lyrics are Little Liza Jane. And notice that you have a quarter note, half note, quarter note, and a whole rest. But the fingering changes at the end. In the second verse, you go to finger number 2. In the first verse, you go to finger number 4. Okay? 1, 2, follow me. Little Liza Jane. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, follow me. Little Liza Jane. Okay, let's go to the second box. Okay, 1, 2, follow me. Little Liza Jane. And you hold that for 4 beats. Okay. 1, 2, follow me. Got a gal in Baltimore, Little Liza Jane. 14 kids expecting more, Little Liza Jane. Repeat. If my Liza you should see, Little Liza Jane. Good. Send her to me, C-O-D. Little Liza Jane. Excellent, excellent work. Keep up the good work.